Some of you on the forum have been bringing up that you'd like to see wiring diagrams for what I did. I'll do a very simplistic wiring diagram for right now, and there's additional reasons behind that. But this is the first version of the air gradient setup that I basically did here, and that's basically taking a 12-volt battery, and then I'm using a voltage meter and an LED switch. In addition to a 15-watt 5-volt step down, so that it's effectively like a buck converter to convert the voltage from the 12-volt down to 5-volt that the air gradient can run on. So in the very simplified diagram here, I basically ran separate cables for the voltage meter to the 12-volt battery, so positive and negative, and I used a battery bolt to essentially bolt it on with the O-ring connectors that you can get for electrical cables. I also took the LED switch and looked at wiring diagrams on it, and if you wire a positive to one of the black cables to the 12-volt battery, take the white cable, one of them, from the LED switch, and if you solder it to the ground cable coming out of the 5-volt step and solder that together, and then use another O-ring connector for the 12-volt battery, connect it to ground. Then you can take the remaining white cable, remaining black cable, solder those together, solder it to the power for the 5-volt stepper. And that's a very simplistic diagram to power the air gradient. If we look at how we implement this with solar, very similar. You just basically connect like what I did was I used a 20-watt solar panel, and then basically connected the solar charger straight to the power and the ground for the battery. So this system is very simple. Doesn't take a ton of electrical knowledge to really set this up at all. I have a future version that I'm doing that's a lot more complicated. I dove into the realm of PCBs, and I'm pulling in other weathery data using other ESP microcontrollers. So I'll have another video on that if you guys are interested. But overall, you just need 3 components for what I have: a voltage meter, LED switch, the 5-volt stepper. You just convert the voltage and really feed the air gradient. So overall, pretty cool. It's been running for over a year in my backyard, and so far I'm pretty impressed with it. And it's actually caused me to order a new sensor so that I can capture some of the data from the newer models. And then I ordered 2 more air gradients that I'm going to be implementing a newer design, and I'll share that as it comes up. Thank you.